Welcome to the video lecture series of electronic devices. This is lecture number 4B. As I have told you in previous lecture that there are two parts of lecture number 4A. In 4A, you have studied about the atomic packing fraction for all the three types of cubic lattices. The three types were simple cubic, FCC and BCC. And also you have calculated the lattice constant or density. So in today's class, which is the second part of lecture number 4, let us solve few questions based on the lattice constant or density. First question is, determine volume density of silicon atom with lattice constant of 5.3. You know the formula of lattice density calculation, which is rho is equal to n into m upon capital N A cube, or it can be written as n into capital M upon V, where n is the number of atoms per unit cell, m is the molecular weight, V is what? Volume of one unit cell, which is being written as A cube, and capital N is the Avogadro number, and the relationship between molecular weight and Avogadro number is being given by this equation. So in this particular question, it is given that the lattice constant is 5.3. A is 5.3, and in case of silicon, you know that the number of atom n is what? 4. In case of silicon, n will be capital 4. And when you have to calculate small m, here small m is what? Atomic m is molecular weight, and molecular weight of silicon is what? 28. And capital N is the Avogadro number. This is 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23 gram. So the value of m, which you'll be able to simplify it from here, it will be 4.65 into 10 raised to the power minus 26 kg. And A is what? 5.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. So now you know the value of n, small m, and A. So just substitute all these values into this equation number 1. So you will be getting this. Density is equal to 4 into 4.65 into 10 raised to the power minus 26 upon V, volume. This is 148.87 into 10 raised to the power minus 30. Means volume here V is what? A cube. A you know. Now simplify it. You'll be getting rho is what? 1.249 kg per meter cube. So this is what the volume density of silicon atom. In next question, given that lattice parameter 2.9 and density is 7.87, atomic weight of metal is 55.85, and you have to determine the number of atoms per unit cell. So first you need to write all given term. M is what? 55.85. A is being given, which is 2.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. And atomic density is given, which is 7.87 gram per cc. Now substitute all these values into this equation. So from here, you will get 7.87. This is equal to what? N into 55.85 upon this denominator term is 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23, which is the Avogadro number, into A, which is 2.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 Q. So when you simplify it, you will be getting the value of n is 2.069. Since n cannot be in a fraction, so it should be rounded off, and you can write it as 2 atoms per unit cell. This is what n which you have calculated. So you can see the basic formula is same, just you have to remember all terms and substitute the value, and don't do any mistake in calculation, which is the most important thing. Next question is, lattice constant for silicon and gallium arsenide are 5.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeter and 5.65 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeter. Respectively. Calculate the densities of silicon and gallium arsenide. The atomic weight of silicon, gallium and arsenic are 28.1, 69.7 and 74.9 respectively. You know the formula for silicon. You have written this particular formula, how to calculate the density, n into m upon n upon a square. You have done various numericals based on this. So small n is the number of atoms per unit cell. So n is what? 8, and a is being given. So what is rho? This is 8 into 28.1, which is the atomic weight of silicon, upon capital N, Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23 into A is 5.43 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 cube. Just simplify it. Don't do any mistakes in the calculation. Otherwise, in examination, you will lose the whole marks. So, rho is what? 2.33 gram per centimeter cube. For next case, the formula is same. But in this case, molecular weight will be what? This is 69.7 plus 74.9, which is equal to 144.6. Now substitute the value into this formula. Rho is what? Here each cell has 4 gallium and 4 arsenic atoms. So 4 into 144.6 upon this denominator term will be 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23 into here A is 5.65 into 10 raised to the power minus 8, its cube. Again simplify it, rho you will be getting 5.33 gram per centimeter cube. This is how you can calculate the density or constant for any given structure.